Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. This material world, so-called love, society, friendship, love, everything is depending on that sense gratification. Maithunadi, beginning from sex, janamaithunadi, grihamili sukham mitucham. So, when one becomes free from this maithunadi sukham, he is liberated. He is liberated. Sham, Gosham. So now one is attached to this maithunadi, sex impulse. He is neither Swami nor Vishnu. Swami means when one becomes master of the senses. As Krishna is the master of senses, so when one becomes Krishna conscious, he becomes master of the senses. It is not that senses should be stopped. No, it should be controlled. When I require, I shall use it, otherwise not. That is master of senses. I shall not act impelled by the senses. Senses should act under my direction. That is all. Therefore, Arjuna is called Gula Krishna. He is master. He is also, when he likes. He is not a coward, but he is compassionate because he is devotee. Because he is devotee of Krishna, anyone who becomes a devotee of Krishna, all the good qualities manifest in his body. Jasyasti bhakti bhagavati apinchana sarvai gunai tattva samasate sura. All godly qualities. So, Arjuna is also, otherwise how he can become intimate friend of Krishna unless at the same position? Friends say becomes very strong when both the friends on equal level, same age, same education, same prestige, same beauty, the more similarity of position, then the friendship is strong. So Arjuna is also on the same level of Krishna. Just like if somebody becomes a friend of the president, friend of the king or queen, he is not ordinary man. He must be of the same position. Just like the Goswamis. The Goswamis, when they give up their family life, it is described by Srinivasa Acharya. Tatya turnam asesha mandalapati siddhim sada tucha. Mandalapati, big leaders, Mandalapati, big leaders, Jamindars, big man, he's a minister who can become his friend unless he is also a very big man. So Rupa Goswami gave up their company. As soon as Rupa Goswami and Sanatana Goswami became acquainted with Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, immediately they decided that we shall retire from this ministership and join Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to help him, to serve him, not to help him. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu doesn't require any answer. But if we try to associate and try to serve him, then our life becomes successful. That's why Krishna says, Krishna came to preach Bhagavad-gita. Sarvadharman parityaja mamekam san. That was his mission. That these rascals have become a servant of so many things. Society, friendship, love, religion, this, that, so many things. Nationality, community. So these rascals should stop all this nonsense business. Sarvadharman parityaja. Give up all this nonsense. Simply just become surrendered to me. This is religion. Otherwise, how Krishna is advising that sarva dharman parityajya, you give up all religious system. He came, dharma samasthapanarthaya, he came to re-establish the principles of religion. Now he says, sarva dharman parityajya, give up all. That means anything without Krishna consciousness, without God consciousness, they are all cheating religion. They are not religion. Religion means dharmantu shastrat bhagavat pranitam, the order of the supreme law. If you do not know who is the supreme law, if you do not know what is the order of the supreme law, then where is religion? That is not religion. That may go on in the name of religion, but that is cheating. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,